Hello everyone, I'm Puji. Today I will talk about my final project. The product of my final project is translation. And now let's talk about the definition of translation first. According to Newmark, 1988, translation is changing the meaning of the text into another language in the way that author intended the text. In addition, Hatim and Mundai 2004 said translation has two terms, the translation as a process and as a product. The first focus on the role of translation in taking the source text and turning it into a text in another language or target text. The second centers on the concrete translation product produced by the translator. According to Ghazala 1995, translation is generally used to refer to all the process and method used to convey the meaning of the source language into the target language. Based on the definition above, it can be concluded that translation is the activity of changing the source language to the target language without changing the meaning of source language. The translation process usually is used by a translator as a guide in translating text from the source language into the target language. According to Nida and Taber 1982, the translation process consists of three phases. Those are analyzing, transferring, and restructuring. Analysis is the step the translator will analyzing grammatical relationship, meanings of the word, and combination of word. Transfer in the process of the translator analyze material of source language and target language that is transferred based on the mind of translator. Restructuring in this stage, the transferred material is restructured in order to make the final message that is acceptable in receptor language. Another expert, Margono 1999, explained that the process of translation may consist of analyzing grammatical relationship between constituent parts. Second, identify the meaning of the semantic units, and the last is finding the connotative meanings of the grammatical structures and semantic units. Based on the explanation about the process of translation from each expert above, it could be concluded that each process of translation is almost the same. This suggests that the translator should analyze the source language first. Next step is transfer the idea into receptor language, and the last is restructuring the text. That's all from me. See you in the next video.